I on time like.
All right, guys. So the best types of content that you should be posting on Facebook. This is very simple to understand. You want to give the audience what they want. Okay, you want to give them what they want. Now, how do you know what your audience wants? Well, if you have been doing the research that I've been laying out in my Facebook Lives, where you know what your audience reads, what podcasts that they listen to, what YouTube channels they subscribe to, what influencers they're following. You see them engaging on posts on Facebook. You're inside of the Facebook groups that they're in. You know what type of engagement they react to. You want to be creating this same type of content. Okay, so there's multiple ways that you can do this. So I'm going to give a few examples here live. So we have a question post, right? Who is running ads on Google? I'm trying to see something, right? Simple little question. 6 reactions, 3 comments. That's not a lot, but that's enough to start figuring out who's running ads and who isn't, or is Facebook seeing my post? But people who liked or reacted, I can go and I can start asking them, hey, are you running Google ads right now? Hey, are you running Google ads? So I'm reaching out to my audience members, okay? Next type of post is just a quote, okay? You never see bees explaining to flies why honey tastes better than shit, okay? 42 likes, 12 comments, 4 shares. So when you talk about what type of content, you need to have shareable content. This is something that people would share. You got 4, I have 4 shares on this, and none of these are my shares. These are organic shares of my post, all right? And 12 comments. So now I just want to come in and just check out what people are saying. And I haven't had the time to really just go in and react, but I probably would do that after this video here. And let's keep going. Then we have pictures, high quality images, all right? Because Facebook is a very visual medium, all right? It's not as visual as Instagram, but it does have a lot of visual aspect to it when you're scrolling down the timeline. You want to have those scroll stoppers, right? And people that are on Facebook, they want to see good images that inform and entertain them, all right? So don't just use a lot of stock photos. Make a lot of unique different pictures, put you in the pictures, maybe have beautiful locations, but put some quotes on the pictures using a platform called Canva. It's very easy to do. So high quality images will get a lot of different engagement. Okay, 38 likes, 11 comments, 1 share. All right, another quote, life is a blessing, 56 likes, 17 comments. Okay, this is another question post with a high quality image. 3 shares, they all from me. 6 comments, 10 likes, right? Value post, okay? This is an offer post. So I did a live training on how you can work your way into the market or buy your way into the market. I'm giving them a call to action for people to ask for the replay of this video, okay? And this is the type of content that you want to be posting on your Facebook profile. Now, this here is a story post. Okay, story posts are very powerful when it comes down to Facebook. People love to read stories. So if you scroll or hit see more and you look at the story here, it's an entire story talking about a treasure that no one wanted, right? And as you can see, as you scroll down, it's 33 likes, 15 comments, 1 share, right? And this is another call to action, but it is a story post as well, a value post, basically is what we call it, giving you value, explaining to you how you can make $10,000 a month, how much money you need to make per day, okay? And then I give a call to action, drop a 10K if you want to start hitting your goal, okay? And 6 comments, 13 likes. So this is basically the type of content that you want to be posting. Stories, questions, high quality images, videos convert very well. It's been a while since I made a video on my profile, but videos convert very well. So be sure to be implementing all of these things inside of your Facebook content. So
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so